think it's already starting. It's my birthday. To bring you a present? I love birthdays. I want it to be my birthday. Hey, this is my birthday. How about it's both of ours? No, it's my birthday. You're at a party. Ugh. I want it to be my birthday. Do you bring your birthday present? Did you? Did you bring my birthday present? I want it to be my birthday. When's your birthday? November 21st. But it's January right now, so it takes a long time. I know. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's my birthday, so do you bring your birthday present? I want it to be my birthday. It's mine. And you need to go wrap your present. My birthday. No. It's my birthday. But I don't want it to be. Go wrap your present. I know, but I like it when it's my birthday. Guess that. I'll give you one of my presents.
Let's see.
Don't put it on him.
No. Just let me.
You know I can't walk yet.
All right.